this next section of the lecture, when you're doing this in a traditional class, what we do is we take one class period and we just work a problem. And there's two problems here. We'll work them and just basically everybody kind of works on their own. I answer questions as we go around. So what I want to do is I want to introduce these two problems. And what you're going to do is give them a try. If you get stuck, there'll be videos with the solutions. But these problems are really to help drive down and have you understand how the conservation of linear momentum works. So there are two problems within these workshops. And the first one is, we have this situation here. I've got a plate. It's being held against the force of the water coming through, and the plate's got a hole in it. So you need to determine the horizontal force coming back. I've already drawn the control volume there for you. You go about solving this the same way as you would the other ones. Apply conservation of mass to get information, then apply conservation of linear momentum. Those are there for when I do the problem later. This next one's a little bit trickier. There's more in it than just a couple little things. Once again, we're only going to look at horizontal force. I don't really care about the vertical force so much right now. And so you have a two-dimensional water jet, which just means it's a rectangle. It's 4 centimeters thick by meter deep into the board. It has a weight flow rate. It's hitting this angled barrier. Some of it's being deflected away. This one looks more difficult. There's more to it, but it's still, you solve it the same way. Draw the control volume here, which I did not give you. And then from there, take the information in the problem, go and solve the problem. Work on both of these before you look at the solutions, because this is going to help you understand the material. But if you get stuck, look at the solutions, bring questions to me, email me, whatnot. Anyway, good luck with those problems.